Today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day using ClickBank using lead magnet funnels. Right. So if you know ClickBank is an affiliate marketing marketplace. So you can use ClickBank products to start making money using affiliate marketing. Right. So normally you cannot directly share these affiliate links on social media sites or any forums, right? So the better way to do affiliate marketing for ClickBank products is doing sharing a lead magnet, right? Creating a lead magnet and sharing that lead magnet to your audience, right? So I will show you how to build a lead magnet funnel and how to share the lead magnet to your targeted audience and build an email list to market your products. Right? Please subscribe to my channel Ravi Bandaru to view the latest videos I post in the channel and click on bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. So let's get started and see how you can get started with ClickBank affiliate marketing and start making $100 per day. Right, this is the ClickBank website where you need to sign up. So you can sign up by clicking on the sign up button, and you can choose the country name and all, first name, last name, phone number, email address. You can fill up details, agree to these terms and conditions, and create an account for ClickBank. So once you create an account for ClickBank, they will review and send their approval in maybe within 24 hours. So once you got approval, so you can log into this ClickBank account. Right, so I already have an account, so I will just log in to my account. So you can see a dashboard for your account, and you have account nickname and the earnings, right? So you can view the earnings and all. And there is an affiliate marketplace where you can find products to promote, right? We go to affiliate marketplace. You can see different categories like arts and entertainment, betting, business, computers, internet, right? You can pick one through which you are interested in. Like, don't try to do marketing in different niches. Like, try pick one or two niches and pick some good products and start marketing. So if you want to find products which are popular, just click on the search button, right? You can see some of the popular products like research, which is having like average conversion of $118. So basically, if you sell one product of this, you get like around $100, right, per day. Like this, like the SteelBite Pro, right? And there is an affiliate information page is available for each of them, right? So once you pick some product, so you can start marketing it using affiliate marketing. So these are some of the products. I will show you one of the product how you can start promoting using a lead magnet funnel, right? So let's select this custom keto diet. This is coming at you can have a conversion rate at $43, right? So if you make a sale, you get like $43 per conversion, right? So initial conversion is $25. Then recurring rebilling is $21. Gravity is $314. So this is in health and fitness niche, like diet and weight loss. So once you want to start promoting, you can click on this affiliate link, open it in separate tab. So these are the affiliate resources, right? So I already signed up for this affiliate resources. You can create your affiliate link, and basically they are providing different information that you can use to market your products, right? So you can create your affiliate links here, right? So if you have like username, you can replace that XXXX with your ID to get your affiliate link, right? Then there is a product information tab, there is the banners, there is social media images, right? So different social media packs. So my advice is you can download this, you can modify a little bit and use it, because maybe a lot of people are downloading the same images, and if you start sharing the same images, it will become duplicate. So it's always good advice to modify it and then share it on social media pages. There is a lead magnet here, right? They provided a lead magnet, something like a PDF file and all. So I will show you how to use this lead magnet to build your affiliate marketing. Right? There is some landing page examples, right? So there is some videos, right? Customer demographics. If you are running like advertisements, so what are the demographics you can target? Like women like 80%, men 20%, ages 35 to 65 on countries. So a lot of affiliate information is provided here, and there are also some articles that you can use, right? Keywords you can use. So most of the information is provided here to do marketing. There is emails swipes available. So I will show you how you can use this information to target your audience and build their interested email list using lead magnet funnel. So let me show you this diagram where this funnel will help you build your email list and start marketing. So this is the lead magnet funnel, right? So you have a lead magnet, right? As the vendor provided a lead magnet, so you can use this lead magnet, share it for email address of your target audience, right? So that is this funnel about. So your target audience can be from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, right, or Reddit and any forums, right? So you create a landing page, right? You create some landing page, like there is some landing page examples that are provided here. So you can build your landing page using any of the page builders and add an opt-in form, right? Add an opt-in form where users can give their email address, name and email address, and opt in for a lead magnet, right? So you can share this lead magnet for free. So if users has to get access to this lead magnet, they will provide their email name, right? So once they opt in, you can deliver this lead magnet and you store your email address into your list, right? And you can redirect them to the thank you page where you're going to deliver the lead magnet and also provide a link to this keto diet product with your affiliate link. So if people are interested to know about it, they'll click on this call to action on the thank you page and go to the affiliate page, and if they like it, they'll purchase it. But most of the time people may not be interested in the first time, right? So that's why, so we are capturing this email, right? So once we capture this email, so we can target them multiple times using different email swipes, right? So you need like some email autoresponder to deliver these emails, right? So you're going to build the list and then send multiple email messages to point to this affiliate product, ClickBank product, right? So to get samples of these emails, you can get email swipes that is provided by vendor, right? There is email swipes that are provided by vendor. You can use these email swipes, and as I mentioned before, don't use them as it is. Edit the email swipes and modify them, so that those emails will be unique to your campaign, right? Once those are updated, so you can send them in a in particular sequence. Maybe like when they signed up, you can send one email. Maybe after 2 days, you can send another email. Then maybe after 4 days, you can send another email, right? So each email you can provide some benefits about this product, and then put a call to action to the affiliate product, ClickBank product page, right? So that way, so you can target your audience multiple times, and your conversion rates will improve, right? So this is the technique to use to start making money using ClickBank products. And so once you once you master this funnel, so you can easily start making $100 per day using ClickBank, right? So if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, Ravi Bandaru, to view the latest videos I post in the channel, and click on bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible.